You just gotten your Action 6. These are the settings you must change right now before you do anything else. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you put your camera on 4K 4x3 25 frames, because 4x3 is going to give you the most out of your sensor, so you're going to get the most image quality. So if you need to crop in or readjust the clip, it will still look good. Next thing you want to do is go here. You're going to see this menu. It's just basically these two lines with these two dots on it. You want to press that, then you want to press Pro. It's going to open a whole new menu. First thing you want to do is change the exposure. You want to put the exposure on manual, and you want to put it on 150 over 100 as a starting point. Then you want to put your white balance at 5800K, and then you could always adjust that later if you need to by going this and like that. But I usually like to keep it at 5800K because it usually works out great for me. Then you want to go to color, and you want to put it on D-Log M 10-bit with color recovery on, so you can see how your colors look while you're shooting, so you can get an idea of your colors, of how it's going to look if you were to edit it in your editing software. The last thing you want to do is make sure you want to go to image adjustment. Make sure you go here and change the texture and noise reduction to -2. -2 on texture and -2 on noise reduction. You want to make sure you put those. You make sure you do that. You want to make sure. But actually, you always want to keep it on the lowest fixture right aperture. You want to get all that out of your sensor. And then the last thing you want to do is scroll down, click this guy right here, and you want to save it. You want to save it to your settings for always there when you need it. So that's the settings you must change immediately on your new DJI Osmo Action 6.